टू नीदर, ना ही चीतास को ना ही लेपर्ड्स को. ओके, एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे दीज एनिमल्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड वन क्वेश्चन, दीज एनिमल्स आर इंडेंजर्ड. इंडेंजर्ड मीन्स खतरे में. सो दिस इज रेफरिंग टू बोथ चीताज एंड लेपर्ड्स. ओके, तो यहाँ पे लिखा है ना इंडेंजर्ड. So these are referring to both. At the brink of extinction. Brink means at the verge of, जो खत्म होने की तादार पे हैं. Brink means verge of extinction. So this is how you can improve your vocabulary also. ठीक है, तो वही वो बोल रहे हैं, वॉल्फ, चीता, लेपर्ड की बात कर रहे हैं. They are on the brink of extinction means they are endangered. So that's why they are talking about both cheetahs and leopards. Okay, so let's move to the first question. Okay, that was an example. So here we have to apply skimming and scanning. All right, skimming कैसे करेंगे? We are going to find the keywords from this, then locate them in the paragraph, then see which animal they are talking about. Okay, then we'll write the answer A, B, C or D. These animals were smuggled into the UAE. Smuggling का मतलब चोरी से लेकर जाना. ठीक है, were smuggled is a keyword into the UAE. So here the keyword is smuggled and UAE. Smuggled का मतलब मैंने बता दिया, illegally किसी को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेकर जाना. illegal तरीके से लेकर जाना. तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने लिखा हुआ है 25 cheetahs were all imported illegally. Imported illegally का मतलब होता है smuggled into the UAE. This is written in the first paragraph. And were intercepted at the UAE harbor and airport entry points. So this is the location. When we have find it out these were smuggled and UAE. So it was in the first two lines. This is the location. Now we are going to scan it. किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? वो चीतास की बात कर रहे हैं. 25 चीता को import करा था, smuggle करा था. So what is the answer? They are only referring to the cheetahs. So the answer is A. It's very easy. The answer is clearly A. So this is how you are going to solve these types of questions. Okay, Isha, we have writing class at 7 p.m. on Thursday and Friday. All right. Okay, as I can see, most of you guys are writing the right answers and that's good. Let's move to the next question quickly. Okay, at first, these animals did not adapt to life at the Sharjah breeding center. कहते पहले एट फर्स्ट मतलब इनिशियली उन्होंने, अब जब हम कहीं नई जगह जाते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली इनिशियली हम चीज को अडेप्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट दे सेइंग. वो जो एनिमल्स थे वो अडेप्ट नहीं कर पाए थे उस जगह की जिंदगी को. अडेप्ट टू लाइफ एट द शारजा ब्रीडिंग सेंटर. अडेप्ट टू लाइफ पहले इनिशियली दे वर नॉट अडेप्टेबल. ओके, सो लेट्स सी वेयर दे आर टॉक व्हाट एनिमल्स, किन एनिमल्स की बात कर रहे हैं. आर दे टॉकिंग अबाउट बोथ? Are they talking about only cheetah, leopard, or they're not talking about any of them? Okay, let's see. Okay, consider patient intimate knowledge of each animal's personality, result of intensive. यहाँ पे बात ही नहीं कर रहे इस चीज की. So they are not talking about this thing that these animals did not adapt to life at the Sharjah breeding center. If you want to move, we can read another paragraph also. The breeding center expertise and the facilities have made it prime destination for illegally imported animals confiscated. Okay, 4 years more than this. No. So here guys, they are not even referring to the cheetah. मतलब ये information है ही नहीं है. So it means the statement is referring to neither cheetahs nor leopards. दोनों की ही बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. So the answer is D for this. Yes, you can say 50%. Curiosity is always into this thing. उसे हमेशा यही रहता है कि कौन सी चीज सीक्वेंस में, कौन सी चीज सीक्वेंस में है. This is the only question on daily basis you are asking. Whether this is in sequence, whether this is not in sequence. सो दिस दे आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस थिंग कि ये जो अडेप्टेबिलिटी की बात वो कर ही नहीं रहे हैं. इट मीन्स दे आर नॉट रेफरिंग टू नीदर cheetah and not to leopard. So the answer is D for this clearly. Okay, I hope it is clear. So now let's move to the next question. So one third question. Okay, now I am giving you 1 minute to solve question number third and write your answer in the sequence. Yes, write your answer in the chat box for question number third. Yes, they are. You can say 50% they are in sequence. I will not say 100%. Because exceptions are always there, right? I didn't get what you're talking about consistency. You're not making anything which is consistent. This is not the right word to be used here, consistent. Yes, please write down the answer for the third. Okay, are you guys writing answer for the third? B. Okay, some of the students has written B, C, even A again. So A is also written, B is also written. Let me check now what is the right answer. These animals are regarded as the most important animal at the center. बहुत ही important है, most important animal at the center. Okay. Okay, are they talking about the leopards? Let's see. Also very important for the Sharjah breeding is the leopard, right? Also बहुत ही ज़्यादा important है शारजा ब्रीडिंग सेंटर पे leopard breeding. leopard के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं. So yes, the answer is B for this. Very good guys, keep it up. And some of the students were writing A. No, the guys are not talking about cheetah. This is the location. Here the keyword is most important और साफ साफ लिखा हुआ है very important for the Sharjah breeding center. Center की बात means Sharjah breeding center is the leopard. Leopard की बात कर रहे हैं, that is B. So the answer for third is B. Okay, it is written in the last lines, right? So let's move to the next question. Okay, let's solve question number 4 now. Half of these animals were born at the breeding center. इनमें से आधे जो हैं, उन्होंने लिखा half of these means उनमें से जो आधे हैं they were born at the breeding center. Okay, let's see where they're talking about the born of the breeding born की यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं बात born at the center. So this is the location guys. So this is how we're going to skim and scan. Now we have find the location. Let's read it. Today there are 12 leopards. कहते 12 leopards हैं at the breeding center. 8 of which इनमें से जो 8 हैं have been born at the center. इनमें से 8 सेंटर में हुई हैं. लेकिन अगर मैं 12 का हाफ करती हूं तो वो 6 हो गया. 6 नहीं हुई है लेकिन 8 हुए हैं, ज्यादा हुए हैं. सो ये है what will be the answer? Neither. Neither will be the answer for this. 6 means the half, but they are saying half of these animals. Now we do not see, they are talking about leopards here, but the thing is that उन्होंने बोला half of these animals. अब half ना तो leopards हैं क्योंकि वो हैं 8, ना ही उन्होंने cheetahs की बात करी है. So the answer is D. So if the statement refers to neither cheetahs nor leopards, यहाँ पे true false not given तो है नहीं. These are the statement which is referring. So the answer is D for this guys. The answer is D. It is not B. It is D. क्योंकि 12 का हाफ तो 6 होता है ना, उन्होंने 8 लिखा है तो ये तो गलत हो गया. तो ना ही इतने चीतास और ना ही इतने लेपर्ड्स. सो द आंसर इज डी. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. Okay, any doubt you can write in the chat box. I hope it is clear. नो भूमिका पटेल, दीज आर नॉट ट्रू फॉल्स नॉट गिवन। तो उन्होंने जो कंसेप्ट, मैंने तो सिर्फ आपको कंसेप्ट क्लियर करने के लिए 12-8 लिखा है, हाफ समझाया है, सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस। I hope it is clear. Now let's move to the next question. Yes? Okay. Okay, fine guys. Now it's your turn. Anam Parvez, I was just going through your doubt also that you were saying these. तो ठीक है, आपकी understanding है वो, these animals are regarded as the most important. तो उन्होंने also लिखा है इसकी जगह अलावा और भी बड़ी important है, ठीक है। these animals की देखो थोड़ा सी कॉमन सेंस भी यूज करनी होती है हमें। यहाँ पे वो चीतास की भी बात कर रहे हैं, लेपर्ड्स की भी बात कर रहे हैं, सो वी डू नॉट नो व्हाट एनिमल्स दे आर टॉकिंग, दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड। वही तो हमने ढूंढना है कि वो चीतास की बात कर रहे हैं, लेपर्ड्स की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है जी। दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर दे टॉकिंग अबाउट। ऑब्वियसली क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने ये लिखा है कि इफ द स्टेटमेंट इज रेफरिंग टू चीतास, इफ द स्टेटमेंट रेफर टू लेपर्ड्स और बोथ और नीदर, तो ऑब्वियसली वो दीज ही लिखेंगे ना, क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, लेपर्ड और चीतास। ओके, सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे हैव रिटन इन द स्टेटमेंट इन द इंस्ट्रक्शंस। आई होप इट इज क्लियर। And okay, now it's your turn to solve question number 5 and 6 and write your answer in the chat box. Yes guys, I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve question number 5 and 6 and write your answer in the chat box. Yes, are you guys writing? Sandeep, are you writing answer for 5th? Okay, Alsod, Sukhjinder, are you writing? Please write your answer like this. 5 का जो answer है 6 का ऐसे randomly लिखोगे, how would I know that this is answer for 5th or 6th, right? So yes, I'm getting answer for 5th and students are writing it as B. One answer is again C is also their answer, B, but most of the students are writing B as the answer. Let me just wait for few more students. B, all right, so most of the students are writing actually B as the answer and that's correct. Very good guys, the students who are writing B as the answer is right. These animals can be dangerous to one another, एक दूसरे के लिए बड़े खतरनाक हो सकते हैं। हाँ जी, ये कहाँ पे लिखा है? ओके, ये लिखा हुआ है मेल लेपर्ड्स आर नोन टू हैव किल्ड देयर पार्टनर्स ऑन इंट्रोडक्शन, अपने पार्टनर को। सो इट इज एसेंशियल फॉर द कीपर टू अंडरस्टैंड द लेपर्ड्स बिहेवियर, ठीक है, डिसाइड व्हेन इट इज सेफ टू डू सो। वो एक दूसरे को मार सकते हैं, किल देयर पार्टनर्स, सो दे आर वेरी डेंजरस टू वन, एक दूसरे के लिए बहुत डेंजरस है। किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? लेपर्ड्स की। सो यस, द आंसर फॉर दिस इज बी। क्लियर है। एंड व्हाट अबाउट 6th? The role of the keeper is vital in the breeding program of these animals. जो कीपर का रोल है, जिस मीन्स देख रेख रखने वाला जो वहाँ पे कीपर है, वो वाइटल का मीन्स इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। यहाँ पे लिखा है ना इंपॉर्टेंट इन द ब्रीडिंग प्रोग्राम ऑफ दीज एनिमल्स। अब एनिमल्स की फिर बात देखो, हर क्वेश्चन में वो दीज एनिमल्स ही बोलेंगे, वो इसलिए क्योंकि उन्हें हम वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट व्हाट एनिमल दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, so that's why they are writing these animals. Can you see these animals, right? No, the 6th is not B. Let's read it. The trust is also important if keeper need to enter dens to check on the monitor cubs growth. ठीक है। चीता cubs किसका होता है? चीता का होता है। Leopard females have also been to kill their cubs if so leopard का भी कब हो गया, उनके जो बच्चे होते हैं leopards and cheetahs के, females have been known to kill their cubs if the dens have been distributed, but the center's leopards are quite comfortable with the staff handling the new generation of cubs. So yes, the role of the keeper is vital. यहाँ पे लिखा है ना, so it is essential. ये clearly written over. It is essential means it is vital. It is important for the keeper to understand the leopard's behavior to decide when it is safe to do so. Okay, so they are talking about both. They are talking about leopards also. They are talking about cheetahs also. Both leopards and cheetahs. So the answer is C for this. Not नहीं, how you can guys ये गलत answers क्यों लिख रहे हो? It's not for B. It is for both guys. It is for both. It is for both. I hope it is clear, and if still you have any doubt, you can write in the chat box. The answer for sixth is C. Alright, any doubt? Okay, repetition. They are saying that the role of the keeper is vital in the breeding program of these animals. Okay, keeper, here is the keyword keeper. Vital means essential to understand the leopard's behavior, to decide when it is safe to do. Leopard की बात भी कर रहे हैं, आगे जाके भी आएगा. The bond is particularly important during the breeding season when keepers decide to introduce pair to each other. इसके जो पहले बारे में they are also not talking about the leopards, but also they are talking about the cheetahs here. Okay, so the answer to sixth is, okay, if it's not clear, let me clear this again. The role of the keeper is the keyword here, vital is the keyword, and these animals we have to find which animal they're talking about. ठीक है? Okay, let's see here. यहाँ पे it is the responsibility of the keeper therefore to monitor each individual and to able to respond to any indication from the cheetahs. यहाँ पे cheetahs की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. इसी के जो next paragraph था, that was this paragraph where they were talking about keeper के बारे में. They are talking about leopards also. They are talking about leopards behavior and they were also talking about the cheetahs behavior. So it is important for both. This was in the another paragraph. कब means उनके बच्चे, मैंने ये स्टार्टिंग में बताया था. प्रीति अग्रवाल, मैंने अभी क्लियर करा है कि यहाँ पे वो लेपर्ड्स की बात भी कर रहे हैं एंड इन द प्रीवियस पैराग्राफ दे आर ऑल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द चीतास. It is responsibility of the keeper therefore to monitor each individual and to able to respond to any indication from the cheetahs that the time is right for introducing a pair. They are not only talking about cheetah but also they are talking about the leopard here. Yes, if you have any doubt you can write in the chat box. Paramdeer, it is same. ये दोनों के लिए, it is for both GT and for academic. कीपर मीन्स जो कीपर का क्या मतलब होता है? कीपर मीन्स हु इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दोज लेपर्ड्स, दोज एनिमल्स. I hope it is clear. If you still have any doubt you can write in the chat box. Alright, so 7th will be, let's move to the next then. 7th and 8th will be your homework. I'll be sharing this file on the Telegram channel. Okay. And the name of the Telegram channel is IELTS capital underscore M capital AD small underscore E capital AS for small. I'll be sharing this file on the Telegram channel.